I know a lot of women are tired of being pregnant, and when they hit that 36th, 37th week, their back is hurting, they're tired of the weight and whatever. But babies need to be in there a certain amount of time, and I want that kid to be in there for at least 38, 39 weeks. I want the lungs to develop, I want the bowels to develop, I want the brain and everything else. We do know that babies that are born too soon will have other problems that will last lifelong. They'll have learning disabilities, and it may be more convenient for the mother right now, but when she's looking at 5 and 6 years out, she's got a kid maybe with attention deficit disorder, he or she's not doing as well in school, they've got asthma, hearing problems, sight problems. These are far-reaching than for a couple of weeks of being uncomfortable. This is nature's way of preparing you for a healthy baby.